I'm driving. There's someone hungry in the back. Tada! Hi! He's busy. We just came back now from the school. Yan. Alam mo naman, ang trabaho ng mami magsundo. At ito, cravings na naman. Kaya yan, kita nyo nananaban ako. Kawawa.
The fries doesn't taste so good.
Oh no, the fries is not 100%. So, I end up eating it. He doesn't like it with sloppy with some sauce on it. That's why it's maarte, no? Bye everyone! Bye!
Subscribe to my channel and comment.
Oh, yan. Just subscribe on his channel and comment daw. So, what is the past? The milkshake only? What's that?
100% good.
Oh, 100% good. Oh, pasado. Yum, yum, yummy. Bye! See you on my next video, guys.